Alright guys, we have a train coming on the way. We have a CSX over here that is being held up at the interlocker. It is a heritage unit. 4006 KCS. We're going to catch that. But I don't know if this is the stack train or what this is. We're going to check it out and see what's holding. He didn't quite make it past. We had a westbound CSX train come by and he didn't quite make it. So we end up having a Canadian National heading southbound. And like I said, it won't be long. Once this train gets here, we're going to catch the KCS Heritage Unit. I believe it was 4006. He's got 14 empty cars on him. I did hear him call that in. So let's check it out and see what we're waiting on here. It could be the stack train. So let's check it out. Ready to catch that KCS. Are taking forever to get here. That's just a sampler. The main course is coming up. That is a Canadian National stack train. Comes through here every night, and he's taking longer and longer to get here. The 4006 Heritage Unit. I'm hoping that we don't have an Amtrak. I'm hoping we don't have anything going on here, and I'm hoping he's ready to go. So, all right, guys. We're going to catch him. We'll see you in just a minute. Hopefully his lights will be coming on and we'll be ready to go. Yeah, it looks like looks pretty clear back over here. That's towards Shelbyville. Mother's Day. We got the wind blowing. Checking on this system up here. Looks like it's in the Mattoon area down by Neoga. Clouds coming over us here. Blowing over us right now. Got some clouds right here. About 20 miles north of Effingham. I'm here in Strasburg, Illinois. It's blowing the wind. I mean, blowing the trees. Wind. It's really windy. Stormy Mother's Day. You can see it. It's moving south, southeast maybe. Kentucky, back up to the north. I set up in the Arcola, Humboldt area. The wind's really picked up here. See the wind blowing. Southeast. It was back over here, just up to the north. Now it looks like it's heading over Neoga. And I'm probably going to get drenched. Starting to make it. Check out that sky. It's like it's almost lowered a little bit. Anyways, we've had severe thunderstorms in the area. You can see the line where these grain bins are. The old B&O Railroad used to run through here. It's been ripped out for a long time now. But see that tree line there, and where those grain bins are at, it just ran right behind there. And then that headed on up into Monticello, Illinois. Ran right behind here though. I remember crossing those tracks when I was a kid. We'd come up to the lake. Up here at Lake Shelbyville, we cross over those B&O Railroad tracks. But it is moving, but it is just moving really slow. Yep, there's some lightning in there. They look like they're just getting hammered. Back up here to the north, just northeast of us, they look like they're getting hammered. Even back here, Sullivan. Even now it looks like even back over to just Shelbyville and anyways, there are a lot of severe storm warnings out right now for the area here in central Illinois. And we had some storms yesterday too. I'll try to venture back here. I was just wanting to watch this front as it came in and as it is making its way south here. It's going to hit Effingham. It's going to hit Altamont. See it moving through. That's fascinating. I will throw some storm videos on from time to time. Yep, it's getting closer. Yeah, it is raining. There's a ammonia tanks up there where those bright lights are at. It's just hammering that. Yeah, back over here, they're really getting it. Check that out. Now it's starting to move a little quicker here. Yeah, there we go. Check that out. Now it's over us. I better get a little closer to the house. Starting to calm down a little bit. But it's going to let loose here. It's going to get ready to let loose. Yeah, it is pouring straight in front of me. Hoping to get a train today, but I didn't get a train at all today. My son had a graduation, so he graduated this afternoon, class of 2023. He's making me feel old. He graduated 23 years after I did. Crazy to think. My oldest is graduating high school. Anyways, you can see, boy, they're getting hammered down here. Hopefully I can make it to the porch before this starts coming down. I filmed this old school, the old Strasburg school here in town. Last year. It's still up. It's burnt a couple of times. And here we go. I think it's starting to come now. Check out the wind. We're gonna be out in it. Yeah, it's starting to get here now. You better get in, it's starting to come. Check this out. That's moving quick. Yeah, that's moving right. Yep, check this out. Here it comes. Yeah. Oh yeah, here it comes. We're on top of it. It's coming right in on us now. Pretty strong winds with it. Oh my gosh, check that out. Yeah, it is coming. Here it comes. Coming right across the field. It's a little grainy. It's a little grainy. Coming. You're out in this, you're not going to be able to see. Driving, my goodness. Here it comes. Check that out. You can't see anything out there. There is some lightning with it. Seen a few strikes of lightning. That is awesome watching that blow in. Man, that is unbelievable. Look at that. You can't even see anything out there. Shit, they're really getting it back over here. Get under this light. Guys, we're here in Mount Vernon. I caught it's the end of it. There goes NS. This is Norfolk Southern line.